The Alzheimer's Society estimates that there are over 850,000 people with dementia in the UK. Over 50,000 of these people are under the age of 65 years, but the majority are older people. In the population of people over the age of 65, 1 person in 14 has dementia. That number rises in the population of people over the age of 80 years to 1 person in 6. So the older a person is, the more risk there is. But the majority of people don't have the condition. The role of caring for people with dementia is an important job for many care staff in residential care settings and for home carers in the person's own home. Care staff are likely to have a range of abilities and skills, and best practice is achieved when they work as a team, pooling this knowledge and supporting each other. This video will help you to understand why it is important to develop a person-centred approach to working with people with dementia, recognising that each person is an individual with different life experiences, who has learned different ways of coping with life stresses. People with dementia have individual pathways through the condition. So, although there are similarities, there are also differences in coping ability and therefore in behaviour. The video explores why it's important that carers recognise and respond to the uniqueness of each situation that the person being supported experiences. The way that a carer works with a person with dementia can affect his or her ability.